A clue.
Yeah, I went to the mall today. I had a lot of fun shopping around. I went to Aeropostale, Abercrombie, and Hollister.
No, it's a clue.
Oh, you see a clue? Where?
Right there.
There it is. And our clue is Carl Wheezer from Jimmy Neutron. He's Jimmy Neutron's best friend. You know what we need? Our handy dandy
Notebook.
notebook, right? So, let's draw Carl Wheezer in our notebook. Let's start by drawing a circle for his face. 4 little lines here for his hair, his eyebrows, his eyes. 2 circles for his glasses, his nose, the mouth, his body, shoes, and his arms and hands.